Hi everybody, it's Katherine. Welcome to my channel where we like to talk all things beauty and fragrance. Today I wanted to tell you about a brush I've been using lately to apply my foundation. Prior to this brush, I just never used one that I really liked. When I used the Kai Hot Foundation, I can't think of what it's called right now, I did use a brush for that one, but I was never really totally impressed. It used to leave streaks and I just didn't really like the application. I started using beauty blenders, I fell in love with them, so I just either used my fingers or beauty blenders. Enter BK Beauty. This brush is amazing. I mean, it truly is. I give credit to Liz at Chicago Law Luxury who drew attention to the brand, and she talked about it so often and so well that I had to try it. It's a reasonable price. I'm going to demo application so you guys can just see it in action. So here we go. I got my Chanel Vitalumiere Aqua in 32 Beige Rose. You know, seriously watch. It is so smooth. It just makes the foundation just melt into your face. You don't get the streaks. So check out that application. No streaks, pores aren't super evident. I mean, it just seriously makes for a beautiful application of foundation. So I seriously recommend checking out BK Beauty 101, the foundation brush. Definitely has been a game changer in my makeup application. Katherine Cole, over and out.